Top of the AM to y'all, man. I just had something on my brain, man. I was thinking about just kind of recapping or revisiting the events of yesterday. And one of our clients, right at the end of the day, he actually walked up on us and wanted to get a quote. But anyway, we ended up doing his house. But he said, man, he has had so many bad experiences with Black American businesses and business owners and stuff like that. He was reluctant to come and even talk to us, and I was glad that he did, because I was able to give him hope and able to be the example of changing the narrative for people who look like me. What's interesting is that the points that he was making and the things that he was talking about, it was relatable, because I myself have had bad experiences with other businesses that look like me. I love my people. I love everybody. As a matter of fact, I'm not that person that doesn't really get along with anybody. But my experiences tell me that the likelihood of me doing business with this person or that person, data tells me that the outcomes aren't going to be good. You know, I'm a numbers guy. I like data. History tells a story. You can almost predict what your outcomes are going to be. But anyway, that's neither here nor there, or actually it is. On the other hand, in my opinion, I don't believe that business should have an ethnicity. I don't think it should have a color. I believe that there's a culture. We have to do business the right way from start to finish. The end goal is that the client is completely satisfied. We have to stop chasing money and chase doing good business, and then the money's going to come. Most of my clients, most of the people that I've done business with and still doing business with after 15 or even 20 years, the brand and the name is good. That's what it's all about. Do good business. Every now and then you're going to have to take a loss just to make things right, so that you can continue to keep doing business. So don't always, or not always, don't be that person that wants a discount or wants a hookup. That's not good business. Businesses aren't going to last long if we keep giving hookups or keep wanting hookups. It's not good. It's not good for you long term. It's not good for you it's from an investment standpoint, you know, as far as the returns you're going to get from doing good business. We have to, man. That was my nugget, my gem for the day, man. Good business should not have an ethnicity. Good business is just good business. Wash, rinse, repeat. Y'all wash on, man.